Welcome to video 7.2b, proving the no choice in angle sides theorems. So once again, you can't use the theorem to prove itself. We'll use other logic to prove the theorems, and then we'll be good for the rest of our lives to use them. All right, example 1. Given angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, prove that angle C is congruent to angle F. Notice these two triangles are not congruent. So basically what we're doing is we're proving the no choice theorem. No choice theorem. Okay, step 1, I'll just write down my givens. So angle A congruent to angle D, angle B congruent to angle E, given. All right, then what I'm going to say is, the sum of these three angles equals 180, and the sum of those three angles equals 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180. Angle D plus angle E plus angle F equals 180. If you're a triangle, the sum of the angles is 180. If triangle, sum of angles is 180. Okay, if u equal 180 and u equal 180, by transitive, those chunks equal each other. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals angle D plus angle E plus angle F, transitive. Then I'm going to do some substitution. Wherever I see a D, I'm going to replace it with an A. Wherever I see an E, I'm going to replace it with a B. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals angle A plus angle B plus angle F. All right, so hopefully you can see what's going to happen here. Subtract this, subtract this, subtract this, subtract this, and I'll get angle C to be congruent to angle F. So angle C congruent to angle F, subtraction property. I got so excited I forgot to write the reason down over here. That was substitution, step 1 into step 4. Substitution, step 1 into step 4. Okay, so I just proved the no choice theorem. Now, example 2, we're going to prove angle side. So basically prove angle side theorem. And once again, you can't use a theorem to prove itself. So given angle G is congruent to angle K, angle H is congruent to angle M, and JH is congruent to OM. Based on that, prove that the triangles are congruent. Okay. As I said before, this is secretly AAS in disguise, so that's going to be my logic. All right, so I'm going to just put down the givens. Angle G congruent to angle K, given. Angle H congruent to angle M, given. Based on those two angles and those two angles, I can then use the no choice theorem to get those angles congruent. So I can now say angle J is congruent to angle O by the no choice theorem. Note, the no choice theorem does not get triangles congruent, it gets the third pair of angles congruent. Okay, and then I've got the sides. JH is congruent to OM, that was given. So as far as my triangles, here I've got an angle, here I've got an angle, here I've got an angle. So I actually had all the angles. Here I've got a side. But the three that really counted for angle side angle would really be that, that, and that. So just so you guys know, right there, that's ASA. So I'm going to get the triangles congruent by ASA. So triangle GHJ congruent to triangle KMO by angle side angle. Again, angle side angle is used to prove angle angle side. Kind of confusing. So there you have it. Proof of the no choice and the angle angle side theorems.